Hi, I'm Todd Davis with Oliver's Market Meat Department and Seafood here at the Windsor store. We're going to show you today how to clean and crack a crab. So come on and join me. So what we're going to do today is we're going to clean and crack a fresh dungeness crab here locally from Bodega Bay. And what I want you to do is I don't want you to be afraid to take this on. It's a really simple process. So I'm going to walk over here to the sink and show you what we're going to do. So first you're going to start by just pulling the top shell off, real simple. On a cooked crab, it's going to come off very simple, and it's going to expose the inside of the crab where you're going to have the lungs and the butter. So what you're going to want to do is just kind of pull some of that out to expose the inner shell, and then to make sure you get all that butter out of there, you're going to want to run some cold water over it. And just do a real thorough job here. You want to make sure that you get all the butter out. It takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worthwhile to get it cleaned out the first go around. Get the entire crab washed off, get all the butter off of the legs and all the extremities, and there you go, you're ready to go. Now you're ready to just proceed with moving to your kitchen counter and getting ready to crack the crab. So what I like to do is I like to start by removing the legs at the knuckle that's right up against the body. And just pop those off real gently. Like I say, because they're cooked, they come off fairly easily. And you can just set those to the side. Pop them off. They come off nice and easy, as you can see. Once you get those set aside, you can split the body in half if you like. That way when you get ready to serve, two people can enjoy that. There's a lot of meat inside these bodies. I actually prefer that. Get a nice pick out some of that nice meat. Super good. In the meantime, what we want to do is we want to get the legs, and we're going to want to gently tap on the leg and just get it to split. And then we're going to want to just pull it open. It does take a little work. You don't want to just tear the meat up too much. And then once you get it apart, go ahead and just remove that nice big piece of meat from the crab. And this one's being a little difficult, but they can be that way. There we go. And pull that meat out and just set it to the side. Same thing with the claws. The claws have a lot of nice juicy meat in it. Just a quick little tap, get a little crack, pull that off. Separate the crab, break that shell off, expose all that nice meat, and just set that meat to the side. Same with this part of the leg as well. Just a nice little soft tap, pull it open, and expose that nice piece of meat. And you're going to want to do that all the way through all these legs until you finish and get it all set aside. What I like to do sometimes is just pre-crack all the legs and put them on the table for people to do their own, to break it apart, use the pick to dig out the meat. Kind of creates a nice little atmosphere, gets everybody together, enjoying crab together. So jump right in, folks. Don't be afraid to do a dungeness crab locally here from Sonoma County off Bodega Bay. It's fantastic. The season's getting ready to start. We'll have them available at Oliver's. Come on down and give them a try.